Turns out, building a van is not nearly as glorious as everyone makes it out to be. In fact, most of it is pretty boring and not very satisfying for those of us who like instant gratification. Quick break, gotta put the horses out. Come on, guys. Can you please just go in the paddock without too much fuss? That way, please. You know where you're going, don't be silly. Now can you bring your big friends over there? Go on. Our process takes even longer because, one, we're not always here to work on her, and two, because all the materials are used, it takes a fair amount of work before they're able to go into the van. But she's getting there slowly. The hole's here, I think you might have put it in over here.
Okay.
Do you want me to measure it again?
No. Yeah, let's twist that wood back, but that's alright.
So we just leave it here to dry then?
Yeah, it stays in that flat.
While I'm at work, Matt moves forward with the van. Mostly because when we work alone, there's a lot less bullying. Hold on.
That's annoying. That's gonna have to sit there or what? Is it a wall, roughly?
Yep.
Can we get away at 5?
Yeah.
What I'll do, I'll find the middle. Okay. Sorry.
I can hate you.
What?
I said I hate you.
Yeah. But let's get along with it. Gal.
You know this is recording. For proof of the abuse you give me.
a second. 15 minutes to 10.
Do you not know how to get out now? So, while I attempt to keep the ducks from moving into the barn, Matt does all the electrical bits and bobs for her.
You fucking zap me when I'm mucking an electrical cable.
Sorry. Maybe it's best that we stick to our own projects. What size do you think I should do? What? That's not English? I said what small size should I do first? You say that and then...
Just the size that you're comfortable, you're not going to fucking go screw it.
I cannot drill straight, nor am I very capable of putting it together that way. So, do you know what? Change of plans.